Okay, I'm back. I charged it. I didn't know where. Okay, well, now we got it. Put that over there. Alright, now we just follow on how many ingredients. So I'm gonna get a big bowl. So I got this bowl. I don't know how much it is, but how much it holds. But, okay. So one of these. Okay, it's hard to bring it out. Alright, so putting that right there. So we got our Jiffy pie crust, and then we're gonna open it, and there's the pie crust. It's a little chunky. We already washed our hands, so we're going in with our hands to get rid of all the chunks. It's like Play-Doh. It doesn't feel like Play-Doh, it just feels like slime or something like that. And there's everything. So okay, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. So 1/2 of a cup. That's not it. 4. Okay, so we got 1/2 a cup. We got our powdered sugar. I did. So here's our powdered sugar, and we put it in. Also, if you don't want to buy powdered sugar, here's a life hack. You can put regular granulated cylinder into like a blender or something like that, and make your own powdered sugar. It's an easier alternative. So then we mix. We're putting in our dry ingredients first and mixing them until we get to the wet ingredients. You gotta make sure it's like through, like it's like good crust. There's everything and it's mixed correctly. So then we got our package right here. Okay, we're skipping all the wet ingredients. Okay, the rest are wet ingredients. So now we did all our dry ingredients. Now we're following the directions exactly now. So we need 1 egg. 1 egg right here. Here's our 1 egg. Throw that in the garbage. What's next? 2 teaspoons of sour cream. This is our sour cream. Okay, and we mix it. Has all that nasty stuff. So I dropped that spoon, so I gotta use a different one. You're not dropping this spoon this time. I got it. This is 2 teaspoons already, so, but I still gotta measure it out to make sure. Because you can never be too careful. Here's like all that leftover sour cream. Okay, now I clean the spoon. There we go. Okay. Teaspoon or a tablespoon? I don't know. I gotta follow these. It's teaspoon. There's the last, and now there's no more left. So now we throw it in the recycling. Ingredients: one teaspoon of vanilla. And now we mix. This comes at the end. So we got our whisk. And now we just mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix it in. And then sometimes you just gotta use brute force. See, brute force always works.